Part of our next step, we create a simple web app using a service called as AWS Lambda. So basically, AWS Lambda is a service where you can run your own code without provisioning or managing any servers. And as part of this activity, we'll create a simple web app consisting of a Lambda function with a function URL. We will see what these terms are in this tutorial. And let's go ahead and start this activity. So as part of this activity, we have two tasks. One, to create the function. A function is like a basic building block, like you write the code to develop this Lambda application and to invoke this function. So let's get started here from create function step. So let's select an option where we can use a blueprint. It's like a pre-packaged code and we get templates that provide like a skeleton code for us to use it. And next, we will select a blueprint name. Here let's choose getting started with Lambda HTTP. So this blueprint will give us an index.html file and also the function code, and this function code will output the contents of index.html file, and this blueprint also sets up with a function URL. So these URLs create public facing APIs and endpoints without additional services. So once we have chosen this option, let's go ahead and click next and give a function a name, and let's choose this given name here. And next, let's leave all the options as default here for runtime, architecture, execution role. And then let's go ahead and see the Lambda function code, and this is pre-configured by chosen blueprint in the previous step, and this code is helping us to display the HTML content inside index.html. So as the next step, we should acknowledge the function URL, since we are creating like a public HTTP endpoint, so anyone on the internet can access this endpoint. So let's acknowledge that, and it's mentioned that at the end of the tutorial, it's good to delete this URL for any extra charges. Let's go ahead and click next and then create this function for us. So it might take few seconds to create the function. So now that we have created our Lambda function, we can choose like one of these paths to continue development of this Lambda function. Let's review these options once and say dismiss. So we have completed our task 1 of creation of this function. We have the code, and code will display HTML. Let's go ahead and invoke this function. So as part of task 2, first step is to review the code we have, and inside this code tab we have index.mjs file, which has basically the code to display this HTML file we have. So let's review it and then go to the next step, which is invoking our function URL. So basically this URL is true for invoking our function, and when we open this function URL in a browser, you can see the rendered HTML output. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Click on the function URL. So this function URL is giving us this HTML content here, and this is the content from index.html. So this HTML page has some of the steps for Lambda tutorials. When we click on the links, it goes to this page here, and let's review these options as well. Once we have reviewed these options, let's go ahead and click finish here to complete the tutorial. So we have successfully completed the entire tutorial of creation of simple web app using Lambda. So let's go ahead and delete both the function URL as well as deleting the function as well. So for function URL, go to the configuration tab and go to the function URL in the left and say delete here. And confirm, delete it. So we got a notification that the function URL was successfully deleted. Let's go ahead and delete our function as well. So for that, we need to scroll up to the top and go into choosing the actions on the top right and say delete this function and delete it. So we have successfully deleted our function as well. So now that we have decommissioned our resources, let's go ahead and see if we got $20 in credits for this activity. So going into the console and scrolling down here, so it says the task create a web app using AWS Lambda is completed, and we got the $20 here.